Right, I found some more relics. Woohoo! I found some more relics. Oh, I'm gonna have a pint. I feel like a pint. It's been a bit rainy. The GPX hasn't been working well because it's overcast and there's a bit of wind, and I don't think metal detectors quite like the overcastness and the dampness in the air. They don't tend to work so well. So yeah, it's been a bit miserable today, and we've had the odd shower. I got some beer. Ringwood Brewery. Boondoogle. Boondoogle? Boondoogle? Boondoogle. Right, I found a nice tree. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Boondoogle. Oh, I come up with an absolutely epic idea. Epic. I've been trying to start this, or trying to make, I've been toying with this idea of making this two-box system, but with the GPX. But I've just had a fantastic breakthrough up here, like, you know, it just went bing. Oh, I've got a fantastic idea. Right, let's pour this beer first. Oh yeah. Oh, look at the colour of that. Nice golden ale. From the Ringwood Brewery. Oh yeah, fantastic idea. Now, Coil Tech, right, they make coils in Australia. They make a coil, right, get ready for this, it's 40 by 20 inches. 40 by 20 inches, it's huge, like that big. So I thought, because you know sometimes when you're wandering along with the coil and someone's found something and you forget to turn it off and you're walking along and all of a sudden you get a beep and you go, oh, what's that? Like, you know, and you stop and you go back over it and you think, oh, what's that? I thought, hold on a minute, I know someone that makes these little connectors for broken coils, right? You know, so if your coil connectors break on the end, he got a 3D printer, and is it Don? It might be Don, it might be someone else. Anyway, he makes these little mounts that you can remake, so you can remount your stick to the coil. But what if instead of having it sort of long ways like normal coils on your stick shaft, don't know, how about turning it 90 degrees and walking along, make up a framework, right, where you just walk along with the coil as close to the floor as possible, you know, this wide, and you mark out a little bit of a grid and you literally just walk up and down detecting the ground with this 40 by 20 inch coil, massive coil. It cost quite a bit, these coils, they're about £1,000. But imagine it, just walking up and down with one of these instead of swinging it like normal people. Just do it the other way round. Just have a bit of a framework that's balanced, obviously, you'd have to have a bit of balancing, and then you could literally walk along with the coil the other way. And the beauty of it, the coil won't pick up any small little nails, because it's such a massive coil, it will only pick up decent sized objects. So you might get a bit of iron or a bit of cack, but at least you'll be missing out all the small rubbishy finds. You'll be going straight for the relics. And that would be quite relatively easy to do, because they make the coils for the GPX. You know, the 20 by 40 inch coils, they make those coils. I reckon we might be onto a winner. The only problem is they're about £1,100 for these coils. Yeah. Now that really would be a hoard hunting coil. What do you reckon? I reckon that's going to be an absolutely fantastic idea, and I think, yeah, I can't see it not working. Because doing it the other way, having those cables going into the box is probably a little bit more tricky. They'd have to be specially made. Well, this way, nothing would have to be specially made apart from the mounting bracket that goes onto the shaft and the coil. You know, the mounting bracket on the coil could be remade and just rotated 90 degrees. So it's like you'll be walking along like with two wings stretched right out. Oh, I reckon this is a goer. Oh, that would go down really well with a nice piece of cheddar. Less waffling, more beer drinking, that's what I say. Fruity craft blonde ale. I wouldn't say it's that fruity, but it is like got a bit of bitterness. It's not particularly citrusy, which is good. Yeah, Ringwood Brewery. We take two things seriously here at Ringwood: our ales and our leisure time. Woohoo! Oh, I like my leisure time. Along with creating quality craft ales, we are relaxation enthusiasts. Oh yeah. I tell you what, I've done brewing, and it is sometimes intense and other times a very slow occupation. You know, but you know, you got to clean stuff, like, you know, so there's a bit of a horrible job getting inside the brewing vats and giving them a good scrub. Right, yeah. So that is a quality ale from the Ringwood Brewery. Ringwood Brewery at Boondoogle. Boondoogle. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I found some relics today. Right, so I found more relics. Oh, I better hide the relics. I don't want you seeing the relics. Oh, because you'll be seeing them in a minute when I upload. Well, not in a minute, in a couple of hours, because I get home and I put this video up straight away, and then I'll then start working with a bit more leisurely, let's say, on the main event video. Oh yes, gassy. Oh yeah, I reckon I might ask Coil Tech to send me a coil for free. yeah, send me one for free, Coil Tech. Yeah. Oh, and then I could make up a framework, and it'd have to be properly balanced, because otherwise the coil is going to be a bit top heavy, isn't it? And then it would have to come up straight, and then have it could be hinged for easy transportation. It would come up straight and then go along, and then you'd have a normal like mounting area for the GPX where you'd normally mount it, and then maybe some sort of counterweight at the back just to balance it. Yeah. Then I'll be finding treasures galore with a bit of luck. Because the other thing I was using, that White's 808 thing, it would only find a horseshoe like 4 inches, but if you buried it like at a foot, it wouldn't see it at all. So that was useless. Yeah, right. I'm gonna finish this here beer, and then I'll be shooting home to put this little short video together, and then I'll be working on the main event. Cheers!